Hi, I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Today we're going to talk about how to make a Virgin Sangria. I like to use a red wine glass for this drink. Fill it up with ice, and then instead of putting garnishes on at the end, we're actually going to put them on top of the ice, which just makes for a beautiful presentation. Let's start with a little bit of apple. Typical sangria is just a red wine with some fresh fruit, a little bit of brandy, but this virgin version is delicious as well. Now, one slice of lemon, one slice of lime, any other fruit that you happen to have. I like to use some grapes, maybe a couple raspberries. Just makes a beautiful presentation. Now, we're going to use, in place of the wine, we're going to use cranberry juice. And then just to add a little bit of acid to all that sweet fruit and to the sweetness of the cranberry juice, add a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of lemon juice. Then just give it a quick stir. And pour. It's beautiful and it's delicious. I'm Bruce Cadle. I hope you've enjoyed our recipe for Virgin Sangria. Cheers!